Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that's Praveen Nair, and we are doing an amazing recipe called as grilled capsicum cottage cheese.
Yeah, the reason why we're doing this one is because we get a lot of DM asking from people for vegetable or vegetarian based food. So here's this one, and it's going to be very high in protein at the same time because we got the capsicum, and that's going to provide you the fiber that you needed. So it becomes a complete meal.
Let's quickly see the ingredients and the recipe.
Let's bring it on, guys.
First we have chopping board. Second, a mixing bowl, knife, a silicone spoon, 150 grams of cottage cheese, coriander leaves, chopped onion, some olive oil, bell peppers, black sesame seeds. Step 1, we take the capsicum first. Gonna Yes. Now we're going to clean this, and we're going to try to remove it completely and have a nice depth in between. So you can see how well it's clean now. Yes. Perfect. We do the same thing for the next capsicum also. So I've taken 3 bell peppers, that's red, yellow and green. Now we're going to start with the main procedure. The first thing, I'm going to use little olive oil, and I'm going to just brush it nicely over it. There you go. Same we're going to do for the second and then the third one. Now I'm going to drizzle the same with black pepper. So I'm going to crush fresh black pepper over these. There you go. I'm going to add some salt to it. Lastly, I'm going to add dry garlic to it. Okay, now we're gonna make the filling for this. So you need a large mixing bowl. To that, I'm gonna add chopped onions. Next, I'm gonna add coriander leaves, cottage cheese to it. So I'm going to shred the cheese and grate it nicely. You could also grate it, or you could use your fingers. There you go. Lastly, I'm going to add some lime juice to the same. I'm going to mix it well, and I'm not adding any spices to it. So if you like spices, you could add chilies or red pepper or paprika. You could also add salt. I prefer a little less salt, so I'm not adding salt once again. Yes. And our filling is ready. Now we're going to start filling these. The first one. There we go, and they're done. So now we're going to put them into an air fryer. You could use a microwave, you could use an oven and bake the same. I'm going to be using an air fryer today, so it's going to be 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So our bell peppers are done. Now I'm going to quickly do the dressing of the same. So I'm going to take barbecue sauce, You're nicely done. Yes, so our grilled capsicum cottage cheese is ready. So reasons why you should use bell peppers: because they are high in thermogenesis, which help in activating your metabolic rate. That means
Wow.
more reasons to eat this and lose weight. And second, 100 grams of capsicum provide you only 40 calories. That means they're extremely low in calories. So you're all going to choose this.
Yeah, which means that if you're looking for weight loss or fat loss, this would be an ideal meal for you guys. Why do we make this kind of meal is that, as the beauty about this meal is that it's very low in calorie. It helps you to increase your metabolic rate. At the same time, it has got good amount of fats and protein, which means that it becomes a complete meal. To know more about how to get fit, subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell button that you get the intimation on our new videos. Stay tuned with us for the next video. Thank you so much.
See you soon.